we're going to cover very quickly a brief overview of the following points. The hearing of the dead, actions the dead are capable of performing, miraculous feats, karamat of the pious after death, asking the deceased to make dua for you near the grave, calling out to the deceased at a distance from the grave, implications of Salafi Wahhabi scholars takfir. So these are the points, and they're all interrelated. And number 6 is very pertinent because in the recent history, this issue about calling on the dead was used to fight people and kill people. And the map of the Middle East is based on this one issue, primarily. And that's what Salafi scholars have said as well. That our our fighting, our struggle was to do with Aqidah issues, as opposed to, it wasn't just politics. And you can make up your own mind, inshallah, about who is more balanced and who is actually presenting what classical Sunni tradition is saying. So moving on, the first issue, and it all ties in together. Why? Because the Salafi Wahhabi scholars, if you were to break it down, what they say about shirk is, you can only ask help from someone if you can prove that they can help you. Generally speaking, that's what they say, although they do contradict themselves sometimes as well. But generally speaking, that's their statement, that's their rule that they follow and teach, although they do have some nuance to that rule. But we don't really have time to go into that. If we have a time before the end of Ramadan, perhaps we'll cover it. But generally speaking, they will say you can only seek help from someone who is able to help you. The living, you can ask the living person to make dua for you because they're alive, they can make dua, and therefore it's not shirk. So let's just cover about these issues and then wrap it up, because this forms an argument for those scholars who said that you can ask a deceased person for dua. So hearing of the dead,